Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 65 Mustang Convertible. There's a 289 under the hood, beautiful restoration on the car. The bottom side of the car is painted chassis black, looking sweet. And I tell you what, this teal color really sets off the rest of the car. The pearl interior, all the chrome looking sweet, and it's a manual, so you get to shift gears. She is a beauty. Eye catcher for sure. We got great looking Magnum 500s with some BFGs wrapped around them. Looking beautiful, and check out this interior here. Man, doesn't this look beautiful. It's got the 3-speed manual trans in it. That's what would have originally come in this car. We got great looking carpet there. That's probably brand new. We've got aftermarket seat belts in the front and the back. And if you want to check out a bunch of pictures of this car with the top up, the top down, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Now this is a manual top, very easy to put up and down by yourself. As you look down the side of the car, all the reflections are looking good, nice straight body job. We've got brand new chrome back here on the rear bumper. Looks like tail light bezels are re-chromed. Gas cap also. Inside the trunk here, look at that. Even the wheel wells have been painted the same color as the car. Inside the trunk looks just as nice as the outside. Check all the details when you're looking at a car, especially the edges of the deck lid here, where that lip wraps over the edge. That's a telltale sign. You can tell just how well the car's been cared for throughout the years. Now look down the side of it. Straight as can be. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this little Mustang, so you know we did our homework before we laid out our money. Then the first thing that happens when it comes here to the shop is they all get put up on the lift so that we can inspect them and accurately answer every one of your questions. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about this car or any other car we have in inventory. Right now we're bringing in about 40 new cars a month, and you're watching us on YouTube. If you'd like to see more videos just like this one, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click that little bell button, and you'll get a notification every time we post a new cool car. Mustang convertible time. What a beautiful day to go for a ride. You want to talk about sweet? Head to the ice cream store, the car show, the golf course. This is your car right here. She is a beauty. Driving great. Manual transmission. What a sweet ride here. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can deliver this car anywhere in the world. Yeah, I said the world. We can also help you with financing. All you need to do is call Tom at 248-974-9513. Sorry, I almost gave you my phone number. You can call me too. Sounds good, driving good, plenty of power. She's a giddy up and go Mustang. Now we're very close to airport here in Detroit, so if you'd like to come check her out in person, we'd love to have you. We don't get a lot of visitors. Most of our cars go outside unseen, but please, if you've got the time and the means, come visit. You can see down here on the dash, everything's looking sweet. Speedo's working. It's got the stock gauge cluster. It's got an aftermarket radio. Everything looking sweet on this beauty. Now we're also open on Saturdays if you'd like to drive in on the weekend. And here in a minute, we are about to do something that nobody does to every one of their cars in inventory. At Vanguard, all the cars go on the lift. We take pictures, we do the video, we show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision. And we have a whole team of mechanics here at Vanguard. So if you see anything on the car you'd like changed, anything you'd like to add to the car, don't hesitate to call Tom. He will hook you up. Now we do have 2 locations. So if you want to come in and or you want to send an inspector, just make sure you let us know you're coming. We've got a lot of square footage and a lot of cars. I want to make sure we can get your favorite car right up front where you can get a good look at it. Stick with us. We're going underneath right now. All right, we're underneath the 65 Mustang now, and look how clean it is. We got brand new tank. Looks like the bushings and the springs are new. Look at that frame. Look how everything's painted up there, nice and neat. Brand new exhaust system. It's got an 8-inch Ford rear end, right around a 307 gear in there. It is an open rear end. You can see that the exhaust is new all the way. Looks like we got brand new fuel line and brake line going all the way. And look at these floorboards. Look how nice and clean they are, nicely painted. Nice job on the restoration on this one. We've got our Y-pipe here. It looks good. Our side loader 3-speed. Actually, I'm sorry. This is a top loader 3-speed. Just like would have come from the factory. It looks like a factory appearing bell housing and a factory appearing Z-bar and clutch linkage. Everything under here is nice and neat. Now on the brakes, the guys pull apart all the brakes on all the cars and inspect them for correct installation and wear. And they take a look at all the seals and everything also. Looks like we got new ball joints here too, because I can tell they've been bolted in. Looks like we got new bushings on the radius arms, new bushings on the sway bar. Everything's nice and neat, clean under here. You might want to invest in some mirrors just so you can show off just how nice the bottom of your car is. Now these tires are brand new, still got the nubs on them. We got brand new Magnum 500s. Very sweet look on the car. And these are 205/70 14s up front. You can see that the paint work right down to the bottom edge, including the pinch weld, looks sweet. And always look at the pinch weld here. See how those 2 pieces are, actually there's 3 pieces of metal in there in the convertible. Nice and neat. You can even see some of the spot welds here from the factory. Out back here we have 2 15/70 14s, a little bit more rubber. And then the inner wheelhouses are all nice and clean. Really, really sharp car. We've even got the little rubber boot here that lets any excess water that happens to get in the trunk out. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got 289 power. Now this motor is very, very close to what the original motor would have been. All the dates line up very, very close. It's got a stock appearing distributor in it, but you can see there's 2 wires coming out of it. So that means it's been switched over to electronics inside there, but it looks like a stock distributor. It's got the stock master cylinder on it, stock fuel pump also, exhaust manifolds. All the wires look good. The wires even say Ford on them. Isn't that cool? Little tiny Ford on there. All the hoses look good. We got a Power Master alternator. It looks fairly new. We got a shut off on the battery so you can shut it off when you're not using the car. You see how the shock towers, the firewall, and everything have been restored and painted up nice. All the nuts and the bolts are looking sweet. The work on the bottom side of the hood, all the paint work and everything's looking sweet. Looks like the radiator's definitely a rebuilt unit. I mean, everything about this car is absolutely gorgeous, guys. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this little dream in your driveway.